Have you ever wondered why red wine vinegar remains an indispensable staple in kitchens worldwide for centuries? We are going to break down the fascinating two-step fermentation process that creates this unique condiment. Red wine vinegar owes its existence to a precise two-step fermentation process. First, yeast converts grape sugars into alcohol, and subsequently acetic. Acid bacteria transform that alcohol into the acetic acid we recognize as vinegar. Unlike mass-produced versions, traditional red wine vinegar is often free of preservatives and not pasteurized. This preservation method prevents the degradation of taste, ensuring a flavor profile that is a harmonious blend of tartness, acidity, and subtle fruity notes. The specific grape variety used in the wine heavily influences the final character, ranging from delicate and floral to bold and robust. For instance, traditional red wine vinegar is aged for a minimum of 12 months in wooden barrels for maximum complexity. Beyond the kitchen, red wine vinegar boasts numerous health benefits due to its high polyphenol content, which acts as a powerful antioxidant. It may also aid in weight management and cardiovascular health, making it more than just a flavor enhancer. Its culinary versatility is unparalleled across the globe. From creating classic vinaigrettes with olive oil, to tenderizing meats in marinades and adding elegance to pan sauces, it enhances flavors in both classic and contemporary dishes. Despite the farmer enhancer Rupert fermentation process, the final product contains very little to no alcohol, usually less than 0.5% by volume. This makes it a safe and effective natural cleaner, as well as a secret ingredient for hair shine. So there you have it. From the fermentation process to its health benefits, red wine vinegar is truly a culinary elixir. What is your favorite way to use it? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more deep dives into food science.